Hello, this is F. Clementia Shiny Jennifer from the Department of Computer Science, and I'm here to demonstrate the programming and hashing. The header file used in this program is as usual as hash include iostream and using the namespace std. Under the class, it is described as a class name is hashing is a class name, and again the class things open, the brackets gets open, and in that the int is the data type used and the declared variables are parse I, a of I, and under the public the hashing is being declared, and for that the thing is open, and in that a loop is being used for I is equal to 0, I lesser than 5 and I plus plus. If this statement is true, it comes inside the program saying a of I is equal to -1. And next is the three things which is used, that is a void insert, void search and void display, and the class gets terminated here. Next it has been scope resoluted by void hashing scope resolution insert in data. Next is the pause is equal to data modulo 5, where it will be giving off the reminder, and if a pause is equal to -1, a pause is equal to data, or if this is false, it comes inside the statement saying a for loop is used where for I is equal to 0 pause plus 1 modulo 5, I not equal to pause, and I is equal to I plus 1 modulo 5. And if a of I is equal to -1, a of I is equal to data, and break where it gets terminated. Next, if I is equal to pause, the cout statement hash table is full will be executed. Next, void hashing scope resolution search, and next is a pause. The same thing is used where the cout statement says the element is found in the position pause end line. Else for I is equal to pause plus 1, and that is modulo 5, and I is not equal to pause, and I plus 1 and the modulo 5. And if this, it comes inside another loop saying if key is equal to a of I, see out the element is found at the position. If I is equal to pause, see out the element is not found in the hash table. Void hashing would display for I is equal to 0, and if statement is used, and in that if statement is cout statement is used, a of I will be declared, and then a new line cout, that is it gets skips to the next line. And next a main statement is used, main program gets opened, and in that in the declared variables are data, key and op, hashing h, and char ch, character variable is ch, and do while is used, and in that the cout statement is the menu, insert, search and display, and in cout op and in switch the cases the following. There are three following cases with the default statement. In the first case, there is they enter the data to be inserted, and the data will be inserted. In the second case, enter the search element, and the search element will be declared, and then in the third case, elements of the hash table list will be displayed. Next is a cout. If you're going to entry a invalid one, the default statement invalid entry will be declared. Or the cout, do you want to continue, y, capital Y and Y, and then C and CH, and do the while statement closes here with CH is equal to Y, and or CH is equal to Y, and it gets terminated. So I'm going to build the program where I find there is no errors and no warnings, and I'm going to play it, and I find and now I give insert and enter the data to be inserted in the hash table. I enter it as 3, and you want to continue, I give as Y, and again it says I get again insert, and I give 4. Do you want to continue, I give as Y, again I say it as display, which is the third option, and it shows the element of the hash table is 3 or 4. And so this is the following program for hashing. So here it goes.